Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can delete your Litmatch account. So if you have been using Litmatch for a certain while and no longer want to use it because you do not find it fascinating enough, or you just feel like you've been using it for a very long period of time that takes up a lot of time from your life, or for any other specific reasons, here I'm going to show you how you can delete your account. So for this, first of all, head over to the Litmatch app that you've already downloaded on your mobile device, and then also make sure that you're already logged into your account. Here I'm already logged into my account, and as you can see, when you go to the Me button on the bottom right corner, this is your profile icon. When you tap on the settings icon on the top right corner, you'll be displayed different options for settings that includes language, change avatar, edit profile, block list, and alike. You can see different options over there. But here you cannot see any of the option that allows you to delete your account. This is mainly because Litmatch doesn't take any of your personal information, so it does not allow you the feature of changing your password or setting up a password or even deleting your account, for a matter of fact. But what I can give you is an alternate method, that is to alienate your account. Now, if you'd like to alienate your account, what you can do is you can tap on Edit Profile, go to Nickname, and here currently you have set a particular nickname for your account. But what you can do is you can set up a random name that people will not identify as you. After you do this, tap on the Done button on the top right corner. And also, as you go to birthday, here it says that please state your exact birthday carefully. This is the last chance to edit your birthday. So tap on Change and now select a random birthday for yourself. After you do this, also tap on the Done button on the top right corner. You may also edit the bio, and then tap on the Done button on the top right corner. Confirm that you want to set this as your birthday. So after you do this, wait for a certain while, tap on the Done button again, and now you'll be displayed your profile where your nickname has changed, your bio has changed, and also your age has changed, which means that people are less likely to identify this particular account as yours. So this is basically how you can alienate your account, if not delete your account, and I hope that I've been able to provide you an alternate method on how you can do this. If you found this video helpful, do let us know in the comment section below, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, share, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell notification so that you do not miss out on any of our future tutorial videos that are uploaded on App Guide. Thank you so much for watching this video, you guys. I'll see you around in the next video.